Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Suriname is the smallest country of South America and the only country outside of Europe with Dutch as the language of the majority. An iron gauntlet from a mass grave found on the Swedish island of Gotland. Earth's oceans formed over 3.8 billion years ago after centuries of continuous rain that filled the planet's basins. Single mother dressed as dad so her son would not miss donuts with dad day at school. My grandma once said, if you raise your children, you can spoil your grandchildren, but if you spoil your children, you will have to raise your grandchildren. Election day in the US is on a Tuesday because historically it allowed farmers to travel to the polls without interfering with church on Sunday or market day on Wednesday. Berliners love the currywurst, a sausage topped with curry ketchup so much that there have been commemorative coins, novels, plays, and movies honoring its invention. Inattentional deafness is when someone is concentrating on a visual task like reading, playing games, or watching television and are unresponsive to you talking. They are not ignoring you necessarily, they may not be hearing you at all. The oldest writings mentioning yogurt are attributed to Pliny the Elder, who remarked that certain barbarous nations knew how to thicken the milk into a substance with an agreeable acidity. The color that is used most in flags is red. Approximately 70% of people at some point in their life will experience imposter syndrome where they don't believe that they deserve their success and are worried about being found out as a fraud. A soccer ball is made up of 32 leather panels held together by 972 stitches. In Japan, there is a communal event called tear seeking. It's when people get together to watch sad clips and then try to relieve stress. The whole universe, if not infinite, is probably so large that the unit used to express its size becomes totally irrelevant. People with ADHD have hyperfocus ability for things that they like or find interesting. If it's not interesting, they can't get their mind to work on it for more than seconds at a time. Shadows of clouds thousands of kilometers long over the Pacific Ocean view from the ISS. Ferrari is the common surname in Italy. Puglia is a region where ancient olive trees often sport bizarre, fantastical shapes, often twisting and turning about themselves. This one is over 1600 years old and it looks like a hug. Some people with anxiety may actively resist relaxation in favor of worrying, with a study suggesting that it's a way to avoid a large jump in anxiety if something bad really does happen. Grey is the second rarest natural eye color, with 3% of the world's population having it. Dextrophobia is the morbid fear of having things to the right side of your body. This is the fattest polar bear in Alaska. His name is Fat Albert and he lives in a village named Katovik. He weighs over 1000 lbs. Apple created a custom mouse nicknamed the Hockey Puck that lasted for only 2 years, 1998-2000, before it was discontinued in favor of a more traditional shape. It is considered one of Apple's more notorious flops. When the sunlight hits water droplets that are below the horizon and you are high enough above the ground, you can see a full circle rainbow. Carton of eggs reach their expiry date. Instead of throwing them out, just hard boil them. This will keep them fresh for another week. One of the clearest image ever taken of Mars moon Phobos. This is how people in the 60s saw us living comfortably in space in the future. In 1990, a courier was robbed on a street in London, England. The robber made off with bearer bonds to the value of 292 million euro. Today, this is equivalent to 758 million euro. Stop spending $100+ on streaming services. Instead, use each individual one for 2 to 3 months at a time. You will get brand new shows and movies. People are not born good or bad. Maybe they are born with tendencies either way, but it's the way you live your life that matters. Comb your hair from the ends first before you get in. This will reduce the amount of hair in the drain and make it easier to shampoo and condition more thoroughly. Value of 1 minute. Ask that person who has missed his train by 1 minute. Value of 1 year. Ask someone who has been failed. Value of 1 second. Ask that person who survived in accident just by a second. Value of 1 month. Ask someone who has not received his last month's salary. Value of 1 week. Ask someone who has been admitted to the hospital for whole week. Value of 1 hour. Ask him or her who is waiting for someone. Value of 1 day. Ask someone who is hungry for whole day. Therefore, be thankful for every moment. Thanks for watching.